Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about the input and print functions in Python. So I have opened a Python IDE, new file. Now first of all, we will discuss about the print function, and then the next part we will discuss about the input function. So print function is used to display any messages or the value of any variable on the output screen. The syntax in Python is very simple. So let's start. Suppose I have to display some message. So for that, you can put double quotes and just write hello world. So within a double quote or single quote, you can give the message whatever you want to display. Clear? You can also use the single quote for this as well. I have typed Python program. You can also use triple quotes for this as well. Welcome to the world. Yeah. So we can enclose message within single quote, double quotes, or triple quotes. So I will save this file first .py. Py is the extension of Python program. So I have saved it in desktop right now. So after saving it, I have to execute the program for it. So you can see hello world Python program and welcome to the world of Python. I hope the things is clear to you. It's very simple. In order to print the message, you have to put the print statement and your message within single quote, double quotes, or triple quote. Now, in the next section, I will do a small calculation like a equals to 10, a equals to 20, sorry, b equals to 10 and equals to 20. Suppose I have performed a simple operations a to a plus b. Now, in the first part, we have discussed about how to display messages. But in the second part, I will show you how to display the value of variable. So in order to display the value of variable, you have to write print c. Clear? So you can see that 30 output is displayed on the screen. So in the next section, we will discuss how to display the value of variable along with message. So for that, you have to write print. Suppose I have written a message sum equals. Now, whenever you have to write both the value and the variable along with your message, you can write message followed by variable. Clear? So I have to save this. Sum equals to 30. I think it is clear. So whenever you have to display both the message and the variable value, the variable value should not be enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes. Clear? It should be written like this, and the message should be enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes. So one more method is there, like I have written print a comma b comma c. So for this you will get the value of a, b, and c. Now if we execute it, let's see 20, 10, and 30. Clear? The output is 20, 10, and 30. But instead of space, We want to separate the value by comma. Then what should we do? Uh, so there is an additional parameter called sep equals to, you can put any separator over here, like I have put comma. Now you can execute this file. Now as you can see in the previous example, we have separated by space, and by default the Python separated multiple variables by space. So if you want to use some other separators, for that you have to place comma in between. So I think this thing is also clear to you. Clear? And one more thing is there. Suppose I have written print a equals to a, print b equals to b, print sum equals to a plus b. Now in the third section, I have written a equals to a, b equals to b, and c equals to a plus b. Now if we check out the output, what we will get? By default, a equals to 20, b equals to 10, and sum equals to 30. Clear? By default, Python will automatically change the line after displaying a message or the value of variable, or we can say after displaying the statement. Now what we want to do is that we want to execute all three lines in a single line. We want to see the output in a single line. So what we have to write is that end equal to space, comma, end equal to space. So on writing the end parameter, what it will be do is that after displaying this particular code, Python will place the pointer at the same line separated by space. So on executing this code, you will get a equals to 10, b equals to 10, and sum equals to 30. So there are two additional parameters with print statement. One is your sep. This parameters is used when you have to print multiple values within a single print statement. There is another parameter called end. This is used by the Python to indent the statements after the particular execution of a line. So I think print function is clear to you. So that's all for today. In our next section, we will discuss about the input function. Thank you.